vehicles lost in history. 134. In the 1970s and 80s, the Mercury Marquis was the definition of a large, comfortable American car. It was a true land yacht, a massive sedan with a soft ride and a powerful V8 engine. The car was all about luxury, space, and a smooth, quiet ride. It was a classic car of its time, a perfect car for a long road trip or a comfortable commute. While it was a very popular car for a while, its popularity faded as smaller, more fuel-efficient cars became popular. The Marquis remains a legendary car for those who love a classic design with a touch of a luxurious personality. What is your favorite land yacht from the 70s?